Fortnite is about to sound a lot more alive, but the voices you hear won't be human. Epic Games is preparing to launch a major update to its creator ecosystem, allowing custom maps to feature fully voiced non-player characters powered by artificial intelligence. This isn't just a minor update to creative mode, it is a fundamental shift in how players interact with user-generated worlds. In this video, we are going to break down exactly what Epic Games is launching, how these AI-powered personas will function, and the strict boundaries the company is setting to manage this powerful technology. If you are a creator, player, or just interested in how AI is changing game development, this is what you need to know. For years, Fortnite's creative mode and the Unreal editor for Fortnite, commonly known as UEFN, have allowed players to build incredibly complex games within Fortnite. However, these custom experiences have always faced a major hurdle: immersion. Without professional voice actors, non-player characters, or NPCs, have been limited to silent text bubbles floating above their heads. Epic Games intends to change that. The developer has officially announced that starting on July 30th, Fortnite creators will be allowed to publish experiences featuring characters with AI-powered voices. This is a direct company statement, signaling a massive integration of generative voice tech into a mainstream consumer platform. According to Epic Games, they aren't just giving creators a blank slate to upload any voice they want. Instead, they have created a specific library of 36 distinct characters. Each of these characters comes with what Epic describes as consistent voices and personas. This means a character will sound the same regardless of whose custom island you encounter them on. Among these 36 pre-built characters are some of Fortnite's most recognizable staples, including Agent. By keeping the voice generation locked to these specific, Epic design personas, the developer is aiming to solve two major problems at once: maintaining a coherent brand identity for their characters, and preventing creators from generating inappropriate or copyrighted voice content. For creators, this opens up massive opportunities. You can now design complex role-playing games, narrative-driven campaigns, or interactive quest givers that actually speak directly to the player. It lowers the barrier to entry for high-quality storytelling, allowing small, independent creators to compete with much larger studios in terms of presentation. However, there are clear limits. Because creators cannot upload custom voice models or train the AI on outside actors, they are entirely dependent on Epic's curated list. If your custom game requires a voice or accent that isn't represented in the 36 launch personas, you are out of luck for now. Epic has not yet detailed how or if they will expand this list in the future. This curated approach is already drawing mixed reactions. On one hand, safety and copyright advocates praise Epic for keeping a closed ecosystem, which avoids the massive ethical pitfalls of voice cloning. On the other hand, some advanced developers feel that these restrictions are too limiting, arguing that true creative freedom requires the ability to implement unique, custom-voiced characters. As we look past the July 30th launch, this move by Epic Games could set a new standard for how major gaming platforms handle generative AI. If successful, we might see other platforms like Roblox or even traditional game engines adopt similar pre-vetted AI voice libraries, balancing the power of generative tech with the necessity of corporate moderation. The integration of 36 consistent AI personas into Fortnite represents a highly calculated step forward. Epic Games is proving that AI doesn't have to mean the Wild West, it can be integrated systematically to enhance user-generated content without losing control of the platform's safety and brand identity. What do you think about Epic's approach to AI voices? Do you prefer this curated library, or should creators have total freedom? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into the technology reshaping our digital worlds. I'm your host, and I will see you in the next one.